Welcome, and this is 3D modeling on the 9th SDG Innovation, presented with XMind. 3D modeling is being used in Sweden right now, currently, for making prototypes. 3D modeling allows you to perfectly put a digitalized model into a computer where a machine will make an exact replica. So, companies in Sweden looking to innovate use 3D modeling often to get an idea of size, materials, and other components they'd like to use in their research and development stage. The second thing is restoration of parts. Currently in Sweden, they're using majority of the time for restoration of parts. What they would have to use is finding another old item of the same model and make, and then stripping it for parts to then replace and polish the old unusable condition part. Now with 3D modeling, they can replicate it for a large majority of items. This can allow them to do whatever they want. Next, building homes. Currently, it's not implemented in Sweden, but 3D modeling has been shown to be capable of building a whole house. So, hopefully in the near future, they will be able to set up these 3D modeling machines to design houses. When they did make it, it was able to make a 200 square foot house in 7 days. This would speed up construction and help improve the construction industry. Not only that, lastly, making a heart. Now you're asking yourself, what do you mean by that? 3D modeling is being used to try to make human appendages, and right now, research and development is underway to be able to 3D model a heart and be able to do it. So patients will no longer be waiting on an organ transplant. They can just create it out of thin air for them. This is a very important step and can be highly utilized. Now, lastly, the last one is not on this, but 3D modeling can be used basically to make anything your mind can imagine. If you can make a 3D model of it, a 3D machine can make it for you. So, anything that any industry decides to make, it will be able to make. The limitations are 0 to none. Hopefully this was informative to you and that you learned something important today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day.